Hari Om. First of all, thank you to Anjali Di for organizing such a wonderful trip. It was so much बोलते ना fulfilling from the heart, body and soul. Like overall, it was like a very much बोलते ना from the bottom of my heart. It was like a I can say that the overall experience, the trip, how it was planned, it was so smooth and so peaceful, and like we didn't rush for anything, and it was like a very calming, means I can say, means she guided each and every moment, how to do puja, how to do archana, and how to do very minute thing which we really sometimes do puja without awareness. So how to do each and every spiritual even action with feelings, with good intentions. So that is what most of the people miss it. We do puja many times, but we miss the feeling and intention behind that. So she explained in pranayam also, how to have that feelings, when you breath in love, and when you breath out with gratitude, or release all your anxiety and tension. So it's really like the energy within you start changing the way she explains. And even all the rituals which we do, why we are doing, even how we to do, what is the intention behind that. When we talk about Ma Ganga, when we talk about Shivji, Parvati Ma, like even the nature, how to see the love in nature, how to see the nurturing in everything. So that is the even like spiritual bhakti song while traveling which we listen. It is like it took to the complete different feeling. Like you start feeling within inside, and I literally cried many times. Like while doing meditation, while doing bhakti song, and it was not cry of any pain or anything. It was cry of the real feelings which I am getting, and why it was missing from such a long time. And if I would have got to know all these things from the earlier, life would have been different. But it's never late. Whatever have started is really, I'm very grateful for all the experience I have, all the people I have met over here. So a lot of learning with even meeting the new people over here, how their perception is, how their look over the life is, and how to accept the thing gracefully. So really grateful from bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. And thank you to the Rishikesh. Thank you to the universe. Thanks a lot. Love you.